In this video, I want to show you how to connect your DVR or NVR to the internet so that you will be able to configure remote view on your phone or on your system. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So first thing is to go to main menu. You click on main menu. You then go to network settings. You see network below. So you want to click on network settings. Then TCP/IP. Although before then, you need to have a router or a modem. So just like this, I'm having with me here a router or a modem. So you want to connect this router to your DVR. Now you'll be making use of a network cable or a patch cable to connect your modem to your DVR or NVR. Now behind this NVR is a network port or an RJ45 network port, which I'll connect to the modem. So I'll use my patch cord, connect to the network port, and then connect to the modem. After that, you want to come to TCP/IP, and then under the modifier, you see the pen icon there. You want to click on the pen icon, and then you do the settings. Now, for people who do not have knowledge of networking at all, you don't have a problem. Just set this on DHCP. So you want to put on DHCP and then press OK. That's fine. But for people who have little knowledge of networking, you want to set an IP address. So you look at your router, it has an IP address. Mine is 192.168.1.1. That's the IP address of this router, which means this router is on the .1 network. So I want to configure my IP address to 192.168.1. I want to say .20. So I'll say .20. So which means this, my DVR now and my router are on the same network. Now I'm testing my network, my IP address, to see if it's available. So it says IP address is available. If your IP address is not available, it will tell you something in the form of IP conflict. So my IP address is available. Now I want to set subnet mask. The subnet mask is 255.255.255. You also see that on your router. Then you also want to set your gateway, which is the IP address of the router. Your router is the gateway. That's more like just like the word says, gateway. That's where your internet access or your internet goes through the router to go to the internet. Also, now you want to come, after you click on apply, you want to come here to set your DNS. If you don't understand what DNS is, just set it to DHCP. But to set this to DHCP, you need to first make sure your IP address is set to DHCP, else you won't be able to set it to DHCP. So if you come back to this modify, click on DHCP, click on OK, then you see you can now set this to DHCP, turn it off or turn it on, however I like. Well, I don't want to do that, so I want to have a static IP address. So but I'll leave my DNS just as it is, 8.8.8.8, which is the Google DNS. Both the 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, they are both Google DNS. So I want to say apply. So now I also want to test my internet to see. Yes, it's telling me network status okay, which means my DVR now is connected to the internet. My DVR is connected to the internet. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to go back to network, P2P. So the status will change in a jiffy now to online. They want to make sure your P2P is on. You want to enable P2P. Then the status should change to online. Let me go back and see. Then let me come back again. main menu, network, P2P. You can see it now online, which means my DVR are successfully connected to the internet. So I just want to say okay. My DVR now is successfully connected to internet. So make sure you enable P2P and you see your DVR status is online. If that is fine, you just want to apply. So you want to look for DMSS on Play Store. For myself, I already have the DMSS app. So you search DMSS, you search, and then you click on the app that pops up, and then you install. For my own self, I already have the app installed, so I will not be downloading it. I'll just go and search for the app, then I'll open it. I already have a DVR on my own app, but if you don't, you can add. So you can also register if you want to keep your devices more organized. You can register, you see, you can register, login. But for myself, I don't want to do that, so I just want to scan. So you click on the add icon above there, then choose scan, come to your DVR, scan the QR code. That's when you go to P2P. Okay, if you can still remember, you go to P2P, you see a QR code there, so you scan that QR code. That QR code I scan. So just if you like, you put the security code. If you don't, you skip. For myself, I'll just skip because I don't need that. Then it's asking what type of device. Mine is a DVR, so I click on DVR. So it's asking for me to enter the password of the DVR and also the name, device name. I don't know if you can see this very clear. So I'm entering the device name and the password. I want to call it home. Then I'll enter the password. I don't know why it's taking this time, but let's hope it connects. Oh, I have a wrong. I've entered the wrong password, so let me correct the password. Hopefully now it should work. Oh, I had the wrong password there. It has worked. So I just want to click on done, and this is it, guys. My DVR is connected and I can watch my DVR provided I have internet on my DVR and I have internet on my phone. I can watch my cameras from wherever I am. So I don't have any camera yet, but let me quickly install. Let me get a camera and install. This is taking some time, but okay. Yep. So I have a camera here, you can see. So this is how simple it is. Thank you.